on stage. Now I'm here. There's no telling what may ensue. No, there's no telling what. But I'll give you a clue. Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think. You're willing to try. Think invisible ink, or a gink with a stink, or a stare through the sky. If you open your mind, all the things you will find, lining up to get close. All the things you can think when you think about Zeus.
All the things you can think when you think of space, and come up with a few. All the things you can think, get your body shake to the victor of it, or to solve a salute. Think a beautiful shot
With a cherry on top.
you don't need an excuse. All the things you can think when you think about Zeus, 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 think of a bird who flies off on a spree. Think of a kangaroo fast and free.
Think of a general crazy for war.
Think of a cat who pops up at your door.
How do you doing? Hello. I'll be running the show. I'm your host and MC.
He's your host and MC,
I'll pop up here and there.
and you'll never know where, who or what he might be.